Okay, let's look at another way to separate this word. We already know our vowel letters are the three I's. Next, we'll decide where to divide it again. The first time we divided it after the vowel, making this an open syllable. So this time, let's divide it after the blend, SK blend. Next, we'll do the same thing and divide it after the syllable blend or the consonant blend here. So when we do that, it makes a different word because it has different sounds. So in the first one, we have D-I-S-K. In the second syllable, we have I-R-P, keeping that blend together. And in the last one, I-N-G again. So this time, our first syllable is a closed syllable because the vowel letter is followed by consonants. So that makes it a short vowel sound, disc. Last time it was die. This time it's disc. Next syllable, this is an R controlled, so it's erp. Still, that IR says and we keep the blend erp. And then the last syllable remains ing. So this word is diskirping, as opposed to diskirping. Sounds different. That's why we want you to try the different sounds and different syllable types, because there's more than one possibility for many words.